The code B1650 in a Toyota or Lexus vehicle means that the passenger seat occupancy sensor doesn't send proper readings to the system, and you will see the airbag light. The passenger airbag may go off and on sporadically or may stay off all the time, even if someone is occupying the front passenger seat. Of course, with this light on, you will not go through any inspections. So driving like this is not an option for most Toyota owners. Also, in case of an accident, the passenger's airbag will not deploy, leading to serious safety issues. But if you go to an average repair shop or even dealership, they will see this code and immediately tell you that you need to buy a $300 seat sensor. It's actually a pretty common fault. This sensor can be damaged once something gets under the seat or a heavy person occupies the seat with some stress to it. But in many cases, the problem may be solved by 0-point calibration of that sensor. So for this, you will either need a good Toyota compatible scanner or find a repair shop that has such a tool. Then in special functions section of that scanner, start the 0-point calibration and follow the recommendations you see on the screen. The process is quick and straightforward, so anyone can do it. If this calibration doesn't help and you get the airbag warning light again after some time or immediately, the second thing you want to check is all the connections under the passenger's seat. If you see any disconnected connector, broken cable, corroded pins in the connections, this is most likely the culprit of your problem. But if everything looks good, you should actually buy the new seat sensor for your Toyota, and don't forget to calibrate it after you install the new part.